Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a realistic marble texture in Photoshop. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. A square canvas like 2000 by 2000 pixels works well. Next, reset your foreground and background colors to black and white respectively by simply pressing the D key. Finally, unlock your background layer by double-clicking it in the Layers panel, preparing it for our creative process. Now, let's build the foundational swirls. Navigate to Filter, then Render, and select Difference Clouds. Apply this filter 2 times to create a complex, cloudy pattern. Immediately after, go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Equalize to boost the contrast. Then, open Levels from Image, Adjustments, and drag the middle slider far to the left, around 2.20 to 2.30, to define those initial marble-like lines. To create those distinctive marble veins, first duplicate your layer. With the new layer selected, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise via Edit, Transform. Next, change this top layer's blending mode to Screen to blend the two patterns beautifully. For truly organic veins, open the Liquify filter. Using the Forward Warp tool with a large brush size, around 1000 pixels, gently push and pull the patterns to form natural, flowing marble lines. For the final touch, let's add color and depth. Create a gradient map adjustment layer from the Layers panel. This allows you to map specific colors to the shadows and highlights of your marble. Experiment with various color combinations in the gradient editor to achieve your desired look, from classic white and gray to vibrant hues. Optionally, apply a small amount of noise, about 5%, to add a touch of natural texture and realism.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.